Okay, now it's time to clean the A4 robotic vacuum, and with this you'll need your garbage basket. In this case, I'll be using this used ice cream container, and you get your robot vacuum. If you're familiar with the Roomba, this the A4 has the same configuration, wherein this is the dirt bin, this is the motorized brush, and it's filled up. So when you're emptying this, you have to be very careful that you tilt it, you face it down, you tilt it down. The butt of the dirt bin should be facing down. So when you empty it, when you remove the bin, dirt doesn't fall off. And there are two ways of emptying this. You can empty it like this, or you can open it like this. As you open, you have to be very careful not to drop the contents, and you'll need your cleaning brush here to sweep out the hard to remove dust that may be sticking on the filters here and the bin. You can also remove this here. You just pop this filter out. You can wash this. But this one you cannot wash. This is the HEPA filter. This has to be replaced every 3 to 6 months, I believe. And let's put it back together. Put the mesh here. Put this filter here, and let's close it. Put it back on the robot, and that's it.